PPL. It first does. He charged him 1,500, but he felt only their landing, so they only got to charge him the same. Because it's just 190.
Yeah.
It's all the same. It's only the discretion on what you.
So you get all the data from previous week.
Yeah, they give you a trainer sheet. And
You
they
are?
tell you
Yeah.
what you filled out. And then based on that, you just, you know, okay, they already did that, we don't have to. You only do what you meant.
Oh, okay.
It's good, so you can always face check then, yeah.
Victor is on his way.
But that's why the face checks.
Oh,
You do them the check, right? It's your, I think you.
It's a weird balance of the class. I was going to do team mock check right against each other, but it feels like the teams already split up. One side of the room and the other side. Anybody heard from Abby? Evan's not here. Sally's not here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Edwin's not here. Listens not here. Jay, Jeffrey. Mitch, Willie. Trevor. Okay. It's gonna be hard to do teams when everyone shows up late. And then if we start and they show up late, then we have to redo teams. Girl, I mean. Then. But just since we're chilling here, are we interested in doing like a group breakfast tomorrow morning? Yeah. Put on some videos, eat some breakfast. That means some of you will have to get some things to bring in.
Yeah.
It's almost your birthday. It's almost your birthday.
What do you mean?
In a month.
It's your birthday.
It's in my plan.
No, I guess.
No. If you keep asking me, then roll it. No. No.
All of that. Was the mock check right video good yesterday?
Nope.
No, it was bad. But good to see bad people. Learn from others' mistakes. Okay. Ethan, good morning.
Morning.
And your marriage.
Bro, but I didn't right now. It's a feeling.
Make you say it?
Oh, that's your list.
Okay.
They gotta say something. Yeah, you gotta say what's right and say, oh, you can. Oh, for the, yeah. Oh, you just do those tells. Oh, yeah.
Like I've known what task you go back to his computer and go like just does this. It's like 5 minutes of sits and then oh yeah, very. Okay.
So we'll put
It's also like more questions about Rogers.
What? Yours was like. Goal yours was like 89 round correct?
You sometimes like the wording is the fact that good. There were some questions that were like, no, like like
You do the practice test, but not the.
What is that?
yeah.
But then you're gonna get.
We're gonna use some others.
Like half the questions I didn't ask them already answers.
Costco.
Yeah, I was going to, but like I was strict quality. It's like. It's.
Donnie.
I was gonna bring it.
But everyone can take it to go.
We're guys busy.
Molten.
Where did your name? Trying to think.
You check who's.
Are you gonna?
Shots work? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I am sitting in the cities.
Yeah, I think she's 61.
I don't.
Sorry, Mark, but.
It's right, it's here.
I
And catch.
it also.
We should play heads up. So.
It tells you like what question they also.
Play on mine. I don't have, actually, that's what I'm buying.
We can play a game tomorrow.
This is where the.
Okay.
Look at this one.
I said that. What one is? Oh, when you play YouTube videos.
Not my problem. If you are on the Zoom, sorry, but
I just watched Zootopia. You watched Zootopia?
Don't repeat. They say numbers. Like, there was so great questions and say. Questions I didn't read. Yeah, yes. Statement, repeat statement, yeah, as you still be in spacing. Would be a lot. One year. It's so, it's the, things was so. Just use case really. It's a set action. The guy said, watch. No, it's in a separate room with like 3 computers.
Like a little office.
Yeah, it's a little office.
No, I went to check it out. I wanted to do it on.
Yeah,
Like on Saturday, they said it's gonna be Friday.
yeah.
Because I was like, can I book the Saturday things, but it's like Saturday, it's like plastic. It's like 3, but check it out. It's there. It's every little room. I'll show you. And we'll just walk you through the process of that. Are you 3 over there or you somewhere else?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Then it's kind of tricky for me because nobody like help me out. So I was doing it Boston, I went on YouTube and I walked. This website, you can put this code, this is a code. And then. And then you find it and then you're gonna put this arrow and just get the location, please make sure you put the zip code. Then make sure you take a picture of the address and you go into the right way. And then I didn't do it.
No.
I was like in club, and in club they kind of hold your hand. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Private.
So I don't know about the video. I joined the academy.
Me and my friends are doing some group, so I'm down.
Thinking, oh, we not here, but not. You got it. But it's a number one. You know.
Which one was she?
I see, I don't want to buy a.
Yeah, you're literally wearing nothing. So like a, maybe she's wearing like a button down that's like super unbuttoned and that's like that.
If you look.
I am gonna be back and forth, but like. I'm a little bit indecisive, but I'm locked in.
Well, you've
I'm
got-
gonna be a character from the left anime.
You have a
Locked in.
when I joined the academy. I was like,
What?
anime, so when I joined the academy, they gave me Death Note.
It's one
That's a
concert.
great feature on this one, feel, but it's like. I'm gonna play now.
Well, this weekend, no costume this one.
I could be, I don't know, on honest to God.
We'll see.
I got some deep time. Never mind.
The
Really scared of fear.
it's
I'm
like,
really scared.
it's not easy.
I'm really big stressed out about that actually. It's over my excited. Have you ever played classic video? Getting
Yeah, it goes, it rolls back to like behind.
That's why I would never, or like it melts onto the side.
You just can't fall asleep.
First time I'm out of here. No pressure, hypertension. What's the good? I was between Suki Silvermans. And
Who said this? You haven't made it.
no, yeah, just I don't know.
That's what I went in with like
Like great Silvermans just.
Oh, then I got
that.
that. So no, I'm not gonna do
You
that.
would kill someone.
That's so much, but then nobody knows that.
I know that.
That's
I play that game every day. Very.
Already
And I think it's like my mind.
I was thinking of Gladiator.
No,
Like,
I wasn't confident in my answer, so I was getting an answer. And then I are you sure about that?
My name, right?
And then I
was thinking with beverage.
and then I'll switch my answer and then I'm like, oh.
And people also don't know sneak down.
Cause I was like, already talking.
Yeah.
Those leaves.
But her, like her outfit still specifically have to get like.
It's also-
Just like.
What is that talking about?
You know. I kind of like, It's just like. Yeah.
Yes, it's a mere government.
they're, you wanna say, I'll take it.
It's actually. Yeah.
Again, it's zero. Yeah.
I don't really know everything as far as I found just all the everything about it.
Well.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm all actually like.
Yeah. My, I love my normal energy. There's one issue. This really will be today. That's actually really sort of sensible. I really love this. I do too. So I just said to shake this way. Yeah, the wind is good. You didn't anything else. Yeah, yeah. Ain't no way you're gonna buy it. She's seven. Yes, and especially I'm sorting and I was like, yeah.
He got fun. He was like, he was really motivated. So it's not what one of those that.
I still see them really.
Some other ones that was.
Yeah, but very spicy. Yeah, bring on. No, I'm still. Much for that or stuff because you're like, oh, you wake up and start.
See, just so sweaty. Yeah.
Starting to be Nice, all right. You okay?
Well, but you're not cheating.
Yeah, I was here. And I was okay. Screw up. Yeah, still.
Yeah.
Expensive.
It's not sense. Nobody's that. Yeah, like, I you as well. It's you're just something to do because the weather's starting, you know. Like, yeah, bro, we have to down the area. You should keep your like saying, look inside. Even if you're speaking the UK, come to the US, like,
I like this class. With the shit. Yeah, that's the fine, babe. I really.
That's how I.
You.
Well, not.
It looks like it was so good. I was like, wait, please. No, I have no idea what it was. I was like to say.
It was, yes.
It was basically good. I know it's trending. Yeah, it's bad. Take it for the.
And they need.
I have 6 using my eyes right here and then I'm gonna go in there.
That was a
Oh, yeah. Really stuff.
But the box.
It's not good.
You guys finished the book on this.
Boys, they're very.
Or is that all heavy or?
This one would be.
Can I ask you something?
On the 7. Still.
It's like right before I school by class that they never had before. What it's basically a month-long class. You have to go every day and basically like
Yes, they're the
hot seat presents topics, so you get like randomly called on and you do it without any notes. You try to teach the class like without notes or anything. For the CFI check ride, you're supposed to have lesson plans prepared for each topic on the ACS, but some people, I would recommend this, some people make up lesson plans for every topic themselves, but it's too much work and all those like information's the same. So everyone uses already made lesson plans and just kind of like tweaks it for
made lesson.
people buy them and then disseminate. So you could get free ones from someone that's bought lesson plans before. But yeah, some people think they need to like remake all of them, but there's no need to. It's all the same information. You just want to tweak it. Like the PowerPoints that I made are specific to today, because those lesson plans don't have like our information. So I made my own PowerPoint for like systems and for hemostatic instruments.
And then we had
Lesson plan, nothing.
the numbers were
Just to also help me. Every day in the CFI class is like hot seat teaching where you don't like have a presentation, you just kind of like off the top of your head trying to teach and learn how to teach, and then do like final exam to pass the CFI course to be like signed off for a check ride that you're good on there is a presentation in front of a panel of higher CFIs. So like the highest CFIs that there are and like the chiefs. Like a full, like, it depends though, they do a random topic, like the morning of, so you need like everything prepared for all of the possible topics. And then the morning of, they might do it differently now, if they did this, the morning of, they sent us a message saying, these are your 2 topics, like, then the class was like 3, so you have until 3 to like get everything together. And it was whatever you wanted, but most people did a PowerPoint, that way they had something to look at and talk about, don't have to, but. That's just what they did. And then they have like a rubric where they're like checking you off on how you taught, if you covered everything, if you taught it correctly, you're able to like speak well about the topic, stuff like that. Yeah, it was nerve-wracking. I hated it. I hated that class. And it's very different. And a lot of us were so mad that the class was happening because we're like, oh, none of us are gonna teach the ground, like it's very like the class is like lecture.
Yeah.
Or like teaching is like very lecture based, and anyone that's not teaching the ground is like just doing it one-on-one with their students. And they're like, this isn't fair, this is like public speaking, it's like, I hate it, like no one wants to stand up in front of everyone and like try to teach. Because they were scared. And we were all like, what am I gonna teach? Like, including me, I was like, I'm never gonna teach the ground, like, why am I even doing this? But now here I am teaching the ground, so it's actually helpful, but yeah, it's interesting. I think they changed it a little bit since they've done like
I'm trying to say
5 or 6 classes since then, but they just added that, so you're basically using lesson plans to teach, but you don't need to make your own lesson plan. I just made my own points for topics that aren't covered already in the lesson plans. And to have like visuals and know what I'm talking about, because it's really hard standing in front of everyone, like you just go blank, you're just like, I know this, but like I don't know what to say, like I don't know how to say it, it's weird.
Welcome here, everyone who's coming, you've definitely been the best. I mean, we've had been doing it so long now, but not
This user,
but we both
No,
haven't slow yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hate, you really
I'm
did.
trying.
You know,
I really try.
It's very sizable, yeah, it's good.
yeah.
It made me taste.
Like right now.
Yeah, I was, I was scared in the beginning because they asked me so last minute that I was like, I don't know if I can do it.
Like,
They
because other
really,
people don't do this.
no, they asked me to do it. I don't know how, they have some meeting before the next class. And then Jamie, who used to be here,
Yeah.
Just texted me like a week before the class, he was like, "Would you be interested in teaching the ground, like, we talked about it." Well,
Well, that's. I think that.
Great that you've done this. Not. She missed one. You missed one? Not on, and that's worth it. I came back. You did. Yeah. So.
I think that we didn't like you because we were like.
Things are that scary.
yeah, I was like, take it out.
And when I.
He kept saying, oh, I used to teach this.
Oh, what's it?
And it was like, just talk to his parents.
Oh, yeah.
What's your mind?
He makes very intense. He is more intense. It's like, so what is it?
It's really funny.
No one knows. I'll start pointing at you. He was like, no question. We don't have anything to learn.
Yeah.
It's like that.
It does feel like that when you're like, but you all have been busy, so but it does feel like when you're up here and you're like anything and everyone's just kind of like blankly staring at you, and it's okay. No, it's been fun. I found out I actually like teaching. I didn't know if I like it or not, because I've been trying really hard.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Oh,
What's the
Do you mind?
You know what I discovered? Based on the age of the mentoring section, mentoring.
okay, let's do something today before the class is over. I'm gonna put you on to teams, and then teams are gonna compete against each other to answer questions, okay? But you don't get to choose because we already know what team would beat all.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Oh, well, no, she's one.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually, do you want to be in this? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1.
That's good.
Okay. Group yourselves 1, 2, 3. Something. Good group over there.
So. Hey, who's one?
Go to the, that's like.
Yeah.
So why? Go right. You did like.
Okay. Twos come over here, so we're spread out.
There, welcome to the.
This is back to no right.
It's three, bro.
Three, bro.
Alright, this is one.
Okay, how many people does each team have? Sorry, Zoom, you'll just have to listen. There's no. If I could create a Zoom team, I would, but you're not allowed to talk and for some reason.
Allow, you click allow or not.
Can I?
Yeah, it's right there, right for the.
Yeah.
Oh, allowed to talk. I don't really want. 4, 3 on one. 3 people on team 1. 5 people on team 1. How many people on team 3?
4.
4. Okay. Your choice on team. Like, we've got 2 teams of 4, 1 team of 5. You mean stay at 2?
Well, he said he could just stay
Okay,
here.
that sounded like you were sending him away. He can go to 2.
No.
Okay.
You want squiggle? What did you say? That sounds better.
I don't know how to do this. Let's do. Yeah, I don't know if we should do.
Just do popcorn and
Like Family Feud style.
Yeah, like Family Feud style, maybe.
Where's the button?
Or. No, or maybe.
Whoever screams the loudest is there. Yeah.
Because then I want the last team to answer to choose the next topic. So that we're choosing, but then how do we go against each other?
Maybe 3 teams or something to play.
I know, I didn't think this.
You split up 2 and 2 because they have 4. You said
7. Oh, 2 teams.
There's 5 on team 4.
Just do 2 teams?
Split up. So we can have 2 teams.
How's that help us?
Then they still have teams, so it's split.
I know, but then how do we play the game? I still don't know how we play. Wait, were you in here when I counted? Okay. You are team 3. Back there. Okay, now we got 5 in all of them. How would it work best? I ask a question and then first team to raise their hand can answer. Or assign a question to a team. And then if they get it right.
We have like some.
I don't have individual whiteboards. Okay. Writing the question, that works.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, writing, so saying out loud. Okay, same question to everybody, I don't have whiteboards. Okay, 4 flight notepad.
Everything gets one whiteboard.
Yeah, we might switch it up, yeah. We might switch it up in the middle, but for right now.
That works.
Okay. Let's do
That means like.
first question. Name the 4 types of hypoxia.
It's not like a.
Yeah, 1 correct answer, you're gonna write it and then show. Everyone's using their iPad.
Do you have any?
I don't have many whiteboards.
Very next I have.
Yeah, I was gonna put some walls.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, first, we'll do that. First team to get it all.
Wait, so we have to write it down and then write it
Yeah.
down? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm making it up as I go along. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, team one,
Okay.
team two, your team one.
Hypoxic hypoxia,
Uh-huh.
histotoxic hypoxia, stagnant, and hypemic.
Good. 1 point to team two. Bonus point. Someone tell me about hypoxic hypoxia. First person raise their hand. Omar. Because of pressure, why? Because of altitude. Good. 2 points to team two. Another bonus point. First person raise their hand. Talk about histotoxic hypoxia. I saw Alex's hand first. Yes, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Inhibit the ability for cells to use the available oxygen. I'll take that. 1 point. I need to write this down. 1.2. You'll see tomorrow. I'll bring a prize for the team tomorrow. Nobody wants. I'll bring some kind of prize. Okay, good. Just write it on. Write it on mine. Okay.
Team one, I was like, Irish.
Okay, team two has 2 points, team three has 1 point. Someone tell me about. Oh, Edwin's coming in late. This is the problem with late people. Is now they could just sit one. Okay. Someone tell me about. He's looking scared. We're playing a team game, Edwin. Join a team if you want. There's 3 teams. Do you want 1, 2, or 3? 3? Okay, join team 3. They're back there. Hypemic hypoxia. All right, Omar was the first one to get. What about? Lack of blood flow.
Stagnant.
And next person, Harper. I saw her hand while Omar was. What's specifically happening? I'll give her a chance. I got your hand if she gets it wrong.
There isn't enough blood to be able to supply oxygen to cells.
Because what's in the blood?
What?
For carbon monoxide poisoning, but where's the lack of oxygen happening?
In the blood.
In the blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get. The oxygen molecules are in the blood. So
Yes.
because you're losing, you don't have enough blood, there's the oxygen in the blood. This with carbon monoxide poisoning, the carbon monoxide molecules are taking up space where the oxygen molecules should be in the blood. Okay?
Shouldn't the people in Zoom be their own?
I don't have time for
They're
that.
like seven.
That's what she said, because of one for them.
Okay, you got a point. I just need more information.
Okay.
Okay, stagnant hypoxia, Max. No blood flow to the brain? No, okay. Exactly. Team, what are you? Team 2?
Yes.
Ugh, team 1. Okay, next question. We'll start with first team to write down all the types of fog. We'll do 4 types of fog.
Radiation.
Raise it up when you got it. Okay, I saw Tipsy at first. Let me see your screen.
Wait.
Okay, read them out. Advection, radiation, steam, ice, upslope. Good. 1 point. Ice fog is type of fog. That was an extra one that I didn't even make you write down. Then on next one. Okay, first person to tell me about advection fog.
Oh, yeah, I
Good
did.
question. Help them with the answers, but I saw next, Abby's.
Advection fog is the air rolling over the ocean and over the coast.
What about it though?
It is warmer and it rises over the colder surface.
Warm, moist air from the coast over a cold surface. Okay. Team 2. What about radiation fog? I saw Max's hand first.
It's like. When the sun rises, like in the morning, it kind of heats up the cold ground, like at night it brings up the moisture. It's fog.
Is radiation fog happening?
Like grassy areas,
in the morning?
I knew that.
That's advection.
Okay, one for- Say again? I need more than at night. What bring you? That was to fix his answer. I need the full answer from you.
Land, cold air on top of it. From the terrestrial radiation
Uh-huh.
at night. No wind.
Okay. At night, no wind. Calm, clear nights.
Yes.
The ground is heated during the day by the sun, so it's warmer. Once the sun goes down, then that warm air on that's heated the ground rises. It reaches its dew point as it rises, creates fog right over the ground. Okay? Team 3 got one. What about upslope fog? Mitch.
There's blown up the slope. It cools as it rises.
I'll take team 1. 1 point. Last one, steam fog. Nobody.
It's bleeding. Warm air goes over the ocean and it cools down over the ocean. Nothing. And it creates, the fog that goes over the ocean.
Is it warm air coming from?
From the coast zone. Look. It's, okay, cold air going over warm water.
There you go. Okay. Team 2, okay. Let's talk about first team to write down what do we need to figure out that the plane is airworthy? What are we checking before the flight? First team to write down all the, and then we'll go over each one.
Yeah.
Okay, team 1, I saw your hand. Got a radio license? Okay.
That's an exception. You don't need that. Yeah. It's bullshit. It's a waste of ink.
Yeah, but you don't need it though. We don't need it. Team 1. Okay, first person to tell me how long is the registration valid, Matt? 7 years, 1 for team 2. How long is airworthiness certificate valid? Misha, saw your hand.
It definitely is.
As long as it's maintained with not all of it, but inspections and good. Okay. Some people just need to get quicker with their raising their hand. See a lot of people in the front are very quick with their. Okay, where do we find the weight and balance from Arrow? I saw Sam's hand first.
So you find the weight and balance, as in how to calculate it, or where do you find it?
Yeah, in Arrow, what are we talking about under weight and balance?
So it's like it's behind this sort of main center plate,
Mm-hmm.
and it's yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, what is it telling us though? Because we're not calculating anything.
The CG limits, weight,
Mhm.
F4.
What's it called? Our,
Weight balance.
no, what's the? It's giving me off. Moment, wait about. Empty weight, there you go, there you go. It's our empty weight of the plane. It gives us all the arm measurements, the CG, the moment, like you're saying, but it's set for each individual plane, right? Okay. Where do we find our operating limitations? Harper, I saw your hand. UH, team 3. Okay. 5 points for team 1, 6 points for team 2, 4 points for team 3. That's where we're at right now.
Everyone's kids. Just pick it up.
Okay. What? First team to write down all the required inspections.
Let's go to this. What is?
It's a lot of pressure for the person, right? All right, team 2.
No, you're right, that answer fast. No, no, no.
Alright,
All right, let me see it.
the annual inspection, VOR, 100-hour altimeter, heostatic, transponder,
Uh, 1 point for team 2. Okay, someone tell me how often do we have to do the? Okay, you gotta let me finish the question. Bear with me. How often do we do the ELT inspection? Shit, it's really hard now. I think I saw tips saying it first.
12 hollister months, 50% of its battery life for 1 hour.
Nice.
Yes.
No, that's one. Come on. One question. Okay, how often do we do the pedostatic altimeter? I saw Harper's hand. She was really fast. 24 calendar months. Team 3. Okay. How often are VOR inspections, Omar?
30 days.
30 days. For what type of flight?
Oh, for
For instrument IFR. Which one haven't I asked? How often for the transponder? Harper's really fast.
There's no way.
there's no.
Okay. I'll try to keep my eyes going this way. It's the last one. I mean, don't raise your hand, all right? I haven't asked again. We already did the altimeter.
You can perform an annual.
Yeah,
Everyone
that's a
knows.
given. Okay, where do we put your hand up? Where do we find service bulletins? Saw Omar's.
You go to the manufacturer website.
In this case, we go to good. Do we have to comply with service bulletins? What's mandatory to comply with? Alex, sorry, here first. It goes, yeah,
There's like regulation.
yeah.
We have to do our service bulletins as of our.
But are they mandatory as service bulletins? No. I mean, we're getting into the weeds of that. Sure, because we have a special airways certificate. Yeah. Yeah. Who are they issued by? Good. The government.
Dude, it's not you. I was like,
Okay. Let first team to write down the privileges of a private pilot. What can you do as a private pilot?
We can.
I need more. I need all the options.
Those person can be.
Alright, tell me your. They raise their hand first. Read out what you have written. I'm talking to three, you. Yeah.
You could do search and rescue, you could do charity,
Mm-hmm. One more.
preventative maintenance.
You're missing one.
Maybe that's the rate.
Say again?
Maybe that's the rate.
Rowena share is part of it, but you're missing one on there.
Yeah, we do the Saracen.
Yeah, do you have all of them written down?
No. We had it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to team three. They got the last one.
Yeah, so like when we did get out of meetings, they're just trying to like go out and then it's like I mean, well, they're not.
Yeah, I don't know if I would put preventive maintenance as a
I forgot the
privilege.
salesperson one.
They just said that.
Oh, they said it?
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. I know,
Really?
but no other team had it at the same time all written down, so.
It's like.
Yeah.
I saw her, she didn't have it all written down. Okay, what else? Right. First team to write down the 3 definitions of night.
1 hour.
You guys don't try to see.
Okay, team 1. Girl, don't be a cheater. Okay, Twilight what though? Alright, show me your board. Do you have it written down? Alright, do you have it? Who has it first? Twilight symbol? I can't see that far. Do you have it written down? Alright, Tiff, show me yours. Do you have it? Evening civil twilight, morning civil twilight, 1 hour after sunset, sunrise. Are those combined? 1
No.
hour.
Wait, sunset, 1 hour.
After sunset.
Okay. So what's the middle one? It just says 1 hour after.
1 hour. After sunset, 1 hour before sunrise for tickets.
You guys could use a point. I'll give you a point. Okay. Which one of those can you use for logging nighttime? Come on. Civil twilight? Yeah, morning civil twilight, evening. 2 to 3. She already gave landing, so which one do we use? Don't raise your hand. Which one do we use for position lights need to be turned on? Victor. Sunrise to sunset. Team 1. Okay. We've got team 1, 8 points. Team 2, 9 points. Team 3, 9 points. 8, 9, 9.
Girls said they can eat burgers.
Yeah.
Like.
Okay. Let's do first team to write down the different 3 types of air mets. You gotta write it down first. First team to write down 3 types of air mets. 6 not right. Back there. Good. Okay, first person tell me about Tango Air Mets. Next.
For like moderate severe turbulence.
Moderate and severe turbulence?
That's me.
Actually, I saw Victor's.
That's I feel like.
Gotta be clear. Okay, someone tell me about Sierra and
I was thinking,
Sierra.
specifically.
Construction mountain.
The club.
Obstaculation, obscuration.
I know what you mean, you can. Because mountain obscuration is the inability to see the mountains because of visibility. That's what we're talking about. Okay? Someone tell me about. Irmetu. He was like, I saw Harper Sam.
Icing.
Moderate icing things.
Icing.
Okay.
There's the icing on the cake right there.
All right. First team to write down all the conditions for a sigmet.
they're not.
Oh.
Non-convective, just regular sigmet.
Gotta write it down.
I didn't.
All right, team two, first hand.
I
Let me
have
see it.
severe turbulence,
Yes,
icing,
yes.
dust and volcano.
Good. 1 point.
Yeah. Get that.
Okay. Eraser boards.
Okay, hold up.
Actually, it's probably too much to write. Who can tell me one condition for convective sigmet? Omar's really fast. I see his hand. Squall line, what? Or they're a type of squall line.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Okay.
Thunderstorm is what we're talking about for convective.
What is that? Get that thing down.
Okay, you're team two. Okay, and another one. Harper. It's gonna get.
Nope.
I need a tight pitch.
Tornadoes.
Tornadoes. Okay, team one. Max.
Scale greater than.
Hail greater than 3/4 inch. Alex.
Nope. This is.
That's a regular sigmet. Convective sigmet. Charlie. We already said. Omar. No, Mitch.
What's
He just answered.
rain over 300 square mile radius?
Good. Good. Okay, last one, Mitch. Wind
My
shear?
number?
I need a specific number. Good. Surface winds greater than 50 knots. What are you, team one? One more. One more.
Embedded.
Yes, embedded thunderstorms. Good. We already established it was thunderstorms. Okay. Was Jaden gone? No, he's part of your team. Okay. Good job on weather. What else can you all write down? Okay, first team to write down the 3 things the ECU controls. ECU. 3 things the ECU controls. He's gone rogue.
Pumps, plugs, injectors.
Sorry, what? Pumps?
Yeah,
Plugs?
fuel pumps, plugs, injectors.
What?
Okay, but
What injectors?
Come on.
I know, just say it.
Pumps, fuel injectors, spark plugs.
Good. Team one.
The whole day.
So you're just giving entries.
Yes. Not true.
Or else.
Okay, first team to write down 3 types of icing. Alright, team 2, first hand.
Ryan makes me clear.
Clear. Good.
Yeah. I guess it's so bad. It's just like.
Okay, someone tell me about clear icing. Alex, we already got it. Team 2 already got it. Okay, I got distracted by Alex going with his board. Okay, someone tell me about rhyme icing. You'll just kept your hands up, Mitch.
Well, you see, rhyme, hits the front of the wing, like hits the wing and freezes instantly.
Uh-huh.
It's like a color. Marquise is capped. And molecules are there. Not as dangerous as clear icing. Yeah, usually just kind of like stacks in the front of the airflow.
Okay, where's it built up on the wing?
Front.
What's the front called?
Mm-hmm.
And what's most dangerous about it, even though it's not as dangerous as clear icing?
How you should change it.
Shape of the airfoil and airflow, smooth airflow over the wing. Okay. What about clear icing, Alex?
Small particulates in the air, only off the wing. And it's big, so it's like hard to see.
Tiff, I saw your hand neck.
Super cool water droplets.
Heck yeah.
Finish up.
That's it? Super cool water droplets?
The super cool water droplets hits the wing,
Uh-huh.
but it doesn't cool on impact, it cools as it goes back.
Freezes, yes, I'll take it. Super cool, that's the key word you have to remember. Super cooled liquid droplets. The fact that they're super cooled liquid droplets, they hit the leading edge of the wing and they roll back and they don't freeze on impact, they freeze as they roll back. So they cover the surface of the wing, which someone tell me why that's dangerous. Tiff, raise your hand.
It adds weight, disrupts airflow, it changes the shape.
Good. Adds weight, disrupts airflow, changes the camber of the wing. Good. Team 1, 15. Team 2, 15. Team 3, 12. Okay.
Let's use that.
Are you saying she's carrying team 3?
Okay.
Uh-oh. What else can I mean? Okay. First team to write out, not just the acronym, but write out what to do for spin recovery. Write it out, write it out. I said write out the full thing, not just the acronyms. You gotta know what it means, not just the acronym. Okay, Mitch, you're competing against. Well, did you actually write that? I can't
Yes,
see.
he did.
Okay.
We're not gonna get the
Okay.
Yeah.
Opposite.
Okay, first team to write down 3 symptoms of hypoxia. All right.
Tingling, euphoria, dizziness.
Yeah, I'll count those. What question? Oh, yeah. I mean, that is one, but I only asked for 3. I didn't ask for the whole list of.
That makes you.
Yeah. First person to tell me response to hypoxia symptoms. Omar,
Go down, altitude.
decrease altitude. Team, what are you, team 2? Okay. First person to tell me response to hyperventilation symptoms. Omar's on.
Low control breathe.
What's a tool to use? Use a bag to breathe. Someone give me another one than using a bag. Max.
Opening the canopy, like getting some airflow, or like opening the vents.
Yeah.
Get some
I
airflow in
wouldn't
your
open
face.
the canopy. Not necessarily airflow. You need to slow your breathing, right?
That's what he said the first time.
I know, but by using a bag was one way. There's other ways to slow the
Oh,
rate
you
of
want to say
Yeah.
counting or pulling?
Or serious. Yeah, go ahead.
Singing.
Singing. Okay, I like it. There's another one. Ethan, read out your checklist. Good. Okay.
Ask me to teach them.
Okay, first team to write down the primary control surfaces.
Oh.
All right, Victor,
Aileron, elevator, rudder.
good.
Bruh.
Okay, someone tell me how the ailerons work. Tiff.
It controls their bait/roll,
Mm-hmm.
and then if you put your stick to one side, that side goes up and the other side goes down.
Okay, so you move the stick towards the wing and the aileron goes up. I'll take it. What about how do the rudders work, Omar?
Mostly off.
Mm-hmm.
The pedals
With the pedals, and it moves the what?
and moves,
Yes. What's the tail called? Which part of it? What part is it moving in the back on the tail? Yeah, but the part of the tail that it's moving. Alex is in the back, waving his hand. Alex. The whole tail is called the empennage. Vertical stabilizer. There you go.
We're trying to like.
We know that the tail, the empennage is made up of different parts, right? We have the horizontal stabilizer, the vertical stabilizer. So we just need to be a little more specific because the rudder is controlled by the vertical stabilizer. What is the horizontal stabilizer?
Controls.
Yes. What are you? Team 1?
Yeah.
Okay,
Game shooting.
good. Someone tell me what's an example of a secondary controls. Trim? How is our trim powered?
Electronically.
Electrically? Yeah. Okay. Anyone have another example? Yes. How are flaps powered? Don't give him the answer.
I was gonna say like, you know.
That's cheating.
What did I say, Alex?
Okay.
Right.
Mm,
He's moving the.
We always lose everything.
Okay, this is gonna be hard, but first person to draw out the fuel system, or first team to draw out the fuel system. You don't have to label the parts, but you have to explain all of it. Alright, Tiff drew it. Explain.
So it goes to the, select the fuel on the fuel
Wait,
selector.
hold it up so I can see you actually drew it. Yeah,
We select the fuel from the wing.
uh-huh,
that we're choosing. That fuel then goes behind the fuel selector into the gasulator,
uh-huh,
into the fuel pump to get pressurized.
yeah,
And then if it's fine, there's nothing else in it, then it'll go to the fine filter. And then to the engine, or it'll surpass the bypass plate, which that goes through the same process to the engine and then back.
good. Point.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how many fuel pumps do we have? Omar? Two, how are they powered?
Correction, objection.
Yeah,
What?
yeah. If you wanna be technical, like Bo was talking about, technically in some planes, now there's a boost pump. Blah, 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 but
Does our plane have that?
it depends on what plane you're using. If you're using a newer plane, it has a boost pump, if you're using an older one, it doesn't.
Do we still get that point?
Yeah, bonus point, we have 3 pumps in the new plane, I'll take that for. Yeah. Okay. First team to draw, you know what I'm gonna ask, draw the electrical system. And label it. Not just circles.
Oh, shit.
Mitch?
Sure, A, B.
Mitch already raised his hand.
I didn't write for that.
Okay, next. I saw Harper's in the back. Bro, I can't see that. Can you bring that up here? That's the tiny.
It's not neat.
Yeah, okay, explain it.
Generator split. A
Uh-huh.
and B. They just search for.
Bro, you're joking.
You. Just search for.
Okay, she gets it. She even wrote out each side of it. Half a point. Okay, what are our rectify regulators doing? Oh, that was hard. Alex and Harper at the same time, so Alex. What's AC and DC? Good. Good. Okay. First person to tell me how the generator works. Tiff.
So the crankshaft turns the magnets, the 24 stators,
Huh?
and then as it turns, it generates our generator.
There's a little bit more. I saw Max's hand next after Tiff. Yeah. All right.
How-
Team
how-
3.
So one big
Yeah.
magnet
That's what she said.
starts spinning, generates heat, produces it.
So what are stators?
Magnets.
It's a coil.
Magnets with copper wires.
Yes, magnets wrapped in copper wire. It's not just magnets, and then a bigger magnet is what's turned around with the crankshaft. So it's not just a ring of magnets is not the one that's turning. The ring of magnets are wrapped in copper wire. That's what's creating the electrical power by running the other magnet over top of it with the crankshaft, like you said, but there's just further that we have to talk about. Okay. You all? You all got that? Oh, you got, yeah, you got that.
Yeah.
Okay. What else can I ask? Okay, first team to write down the characteristics of AFCG. Oh, everybody. Everybody just ended. Okay, team 2.
It's less stable,
No one else had their hand raised.
less stable,
I'll allow
lower
it.
stall speed, it's faster, and it is less fuel efficient.
More.
Oh, sorry, yeah,
What's written on there?
Less fuel.
yeah,
Less fuel off. That's what you push.
yeah,
Less fuel used, less fuel.
Yeah,
what does less fuel
absolutely.
mean?
Less fuel use.
fuel more efficient.
More efficient is what you.
Sorry, yeah,
It's more fuel efficient. Less fuel use.
yeah,
Okay.
sorry, it's.
That's the way I said
it's-
it. I said less.
I'll give it to you. Okay, first team to write down. It's fun. First team to write down the characteristics of a high pressure system. How does it move? Mitch,
Downward clockwise outward.
downward clockwise and outward. Yeah, that's for high pressure system. Okay, first person to tell me how a cold front moves. Alex? No, then Abby. Lift what up? Warm air. Team 2. That's a snowplow. Yeah. Characteristics of first team to write down characteristics of a warm air mass. Let's talk about.
Yeah, so then it's.
You already got it written down?
Yeah, high, slow.
High and slow?
Yeah.
Why is it high?
Well, because it's higher than older, it's less than,
High and slow.
whatever, forget about it.
It's using over cold air and it's slower. It's cold.
Blanket.
Blanket, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It covers over it,
Yes, that is what you said.
pushes down.
That is all true, but everyone's just a little. Okay, bad question. Cut that question.
Wait, what?
No,
What was the answer you're looking?
the answer I was looking for was more. How does warm air is whatever.
What?
I was talking about a warm front, but I said warm air mass, so then you all got confused. But
But that's what it is.
I know, but then everyone got confused and started talking about higher, and I was looking for blanket and move slower. And it was we got there eventually, but everyone was. You know, for answering it wrong the last time. First team to write down the 3 things that affect density and altitude. I need them fully written, not just. Alex, let's see that you wrote it. Oh, now we're all doing papers. I can't.
Yeah.
He's writing on the way here.
Excuse my Cyrillic.
Okay.
Eat high humidity.
Okay, humidity seems like it's not fully written, but.
No, I can't do that. It's so clear.
Okay. First person to tell me how higher density altitude affects performance, Abby.
Higher density altitude increases performance
Mhm.
by decreasing the efficiency of the pellet. There's less air to push. It decreases the engine performance because of the lack of air that's going in.
Mhm.
And it decreases the lift of the airplane. Again, because there's not as much air being, the pressure is not as much to lift the airplane up.
Okay, so with the lift, what is increased on the ground? If we're trying to, there's one more that's added to that with the lift.
Oh, is it the ground roll? So you're
Yes.
going longer?
Yeah,
going
increased
further?
ground roll.
Yeah.
Good. Into. Yeah, same thing with less air molecules in the air. You have to have a longer ground roll to get that same amount of lift that's going to allow you to take off. Good. Okay. Let's do first team to write down the characteristics of unstable air. Mitch has his hand up first.
Upward, clockwise. Inward.
I'm not looking for low pressure system, I'm looking for Alex.
With surface visibility,
Uh-huh,
vertical movement in there.
uh-huh. And what's the last one? Cumulus clouds? There's one more thing that I'm looking for with characteristics.
Shower precipitation.
Yeah, do you have all this written down?
Yeah.
Show me the, show me yours.
You writing it down?
What's the first one say?
Oh,
Low,
It's like low pressure, high visibility, more vertical movement, broken like range.
But you're missing the clouds. Okay, since you answered first, you'll get it. Yeah, they had cumulus clouds and not the precipitation. You had precipitation, not clouds. Okay, okay, first team to write down characteristics of stable air.
Huh?
Worse.
And just to put, I just wrapped it in.
Okay.
Okay, team two.
Like more steady air, less visibility, it's less turbulent, and it's stratus clouds.
Mhm. We're missing one.
Oh, it's no, steady rain. That's right. Yeah, steady rain air. Steady rain. Because I shower less. It's
Okay.
steady rain.
Okay, first team to write down the different types of weather briefings you can get.
Oh.
Types of weather briefings. There's three. Alright, so I'll access hand first.
Standard outlook abbreviated.
Standard ALEC abbreviate, did you write it down?
I didn't realize that was. I think
No,
Standard, Outlook, and abbreviated.
alright.
Who did we contact for?
Wait, your team what?
Okay, let's do first team to write out everything we need for equipment for night VFR flight. Not just the acronym, write it out.
Would you say the record?
Just specifically for night.
Oh, it's
I don't need 8 tomato flames, just 9.
Got it. We need.
I know I saw you first. I saw Alex first.
Bullshit.
You're joking. No, there's no.
Yeah, he was still right.
Is that a flat? 8 tomato flame flat.
Yeah, flat.
Oh.
Okay, good.
So we have uses, landlights, anti-collision lights, position lights, and source of power.
Good.
Yeah.
Use it.
Somebody shouldn't be flying at night.
Night VFR. Flaps was what I was looking for. But Sling also uses the flaps acronym for 9125. Okay. We have a couple more.
We contest that.
Why?
In the POH, it says night operations subject to legal requirements applicable in the country administration.
Yeah, have you read the special airworthiness certificate? It says at night we need 90, we follow 91205, which at 91205 includes flaps at night. Yeah. First team to write down the 4 forces of flight. Max.
Lift, thrust, drag, and weight.
Lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Good. 2. Okay, first person to tell me how lift is created? Omar.
Lift is created when the
You're waving your hand at me. Give him a second.
no, when the air wants to move upwards.
Because of what?
Because of the fast air on top. Sorry. The high pressure from the slow air wants to move up to the where the low pressure is.
We're gonna need more of that. Don't know who we're gonna go first though.
It's the same team.
Okay, Harper, I got 2 on the same
Oh
team.
my god.
Yeah, release those sensory effects.
Okay, tell me about it.
The camber
Yeah.
or wing,
Mhm.
the curvature,
Yeah.
it's a longer distance than the bottom of the wing. Which is fine.
Which
So
means?
when the air travels over the top of the camber, it goes to travel faster, being an area of low pressure.
Mm-hmm.
And then on the bottom, it's traveling slower, which is an area of high pressure. I want to go to low, great.
Beautiful.
Thanks.
Yeah.
And then
The air accelerating over the top of the wing is creating a lower pressure on the top of the wing than the bottom of the wing. So higher pressure on the bottom of the wing wants to travel to lower pressure on the top, which is lifting.
Also,
Okay, tell me about Newton's third law for a bonus point.
every action is equal or opposite reaction, so. You know, when we're flying through the air, we're displacing air, therefore. Or something.
Displacing air off what?
The bottom.
And it's going, because the air is going displaced down,
Yeah.
so opposite. Okay, team 1 extra bonus point. Okay, it's both, right? Bernoulli's principle and Newton's third law both are used to explain lift. Pressure systems have to do with Bernoulli's principle. Newton's third law is just airfoils accelerate the airflow downwards, equal and opposite reaction lifts the airfoil upwards. Okay. Who can tell me, first person, the two types of drag? Alex? Induced and parasitic. Good. Okay, first team to write down the types of parasitic drag. That wasn't a hand. Max.
Form drag friction.
You're right there and dip them. No, when you're here.
Form friction interference.
Okay, you said form, friction, interference. Good. Okay, first person to tell me about form drag. Form. So we make the shape.
So the actual aircraft shape is.
Yeah, moving through the air. Good. What are you, team 2? Okay. Someone tell me about skin. I'll put your hand down. Someone tell me about induced drag. Still, Omar?
Induced drag, it caused, induced drag decreases as okay, so the speed of the airplane decreases as induced drag increases. And
He just said it.
Yeah, Sam?
And it just.
It's backwards.
It's
It works though, it was correct.
Goes by left.
No, I meant like opposite, like he was right.
no, right,
What does it do? So
He said as the airplane slows, drag increases. Which is
or induced
correct.
drag.
induced drag increases with speed?
No, increases as a.
Increases as speed
as
decreases.
Speed decreases. That's what I said.
He just said it weirdly. That's he was correct.
I said induced drag increases as speed decreases.
Which is correct.
Okay.
Yeah, induced drag is.
What? Okay, well, you can't, you can't give him, you can't whisper the answer. Sam, tell me about, what's induced drag?
Each drag is caused by left.
Yeah,
As the airplane produces more left, I gave these solid like the flaps. Produce more left to your well, I guess it's in the area of the wing.
Mhm.
You're getting more drag because that's creating that aerodynamic and if for that's creating an aerodynamic structure.
okay, I like it. A byproduct of lift, I like it. I'll give you both a point, one for the well, actually, let me clarify, what does it do? Decreases or increases with speed?
The decrease.
Decreases, okay. 1 point for team 2, 1 point for team 1. Okay. What's the one I didn't ask? Interference drag. Okay, Omar again?
That's with the right angles.
Mm-hmm.
Then. But then we need to get
Good. The 90-degree angles created on the plane from where they basically intersecting airstreams from where like the wing is attached to the fuselage or the landing gear is attached to the fuselage. Okay. What is the airspeed where induced and parasitic drag meet? Alex? Best glide 72. Also called what? Max?
BY.
Also called VY. But it's
Guessing of line.
no. I'm looking for
Rate of climb.
specifically VG. Best glide. The curve on the graph. What does that tell us? We get go ahead, Alex. He covered his mouth. Mitch. Or Alex if you got
Where the induced drag is and the parasitic drag are at the lowest, and then that's where the.
are both of them at the lowest?
Right, it's where the curves meet,
Uh-huh. What's that point called?
that's the B1.
VG,
PG.
yeah, they just happen to be both 72, don't get that confused. VG is Best Glide 72. And where they meet is where you have Max. Max lift to drag ratio, right? Most amount of lift, least amount of drag is what we're talking about. That's what I'm talking about. The curves meeting, you're getting the most amount of lift with the least amount of drag, which gets you best glide speed. So it's just getting a little more specific on what best glide is. We're getting the most lift with the least amount of drag. You still get that point. I just wanted to clarify more. Okay. Should we do last question? Okay, I'll give you the points so you see what the stakes are. Team 1 has 28 points. 5, 10. Great. Team 2 has 31 points. 5, 10, 15, 20. 21 points for team 3.
What? Oh yeah. Oh, that's what we're walking out. Hell, what's the point of all of it? Last point wins.
You can win it all if you tell me about all the instruments of the pitot static system and how they work. I'm just kidding. That would ruin the game. Wait, so what was it? 10? Who won?
Us.
Team 2? Nice. Nice. Oh wait, don't leave yet. We have to talk about it tomorrow. Do you want to create something for? We're gonna have a chill day tomorrow for the last day. If you all want to bring some food to eat together, that's what potluck is. Food for those who don't know. For the we kind of need to organize this if we're gonna do this tomorrow. If not, we can just chill, but it would be fun to all have breakfast or lunch. Yes, if we want to bring in other than breakfast items. But do you want to create something so that they can write down what they want?
Does anyone create something specific? No? Forks? Sure, we do need that, but we also have them there. Yeah. Oh, what?
Yeah, here you go. I mean, if no one wants to bring food, then we don't do it. I was just told that you all wanted to do some food.
It will come to me. Yeah, but that's the question, it's just what? Who wants to bring what? Obviously don't. That's easy.
Salt the Starbucks for
Like Token Central, grab those like deli. It's like you get like boxes full of those.
Boxes full of
Or
jelly.
like
you bring your own- or you bring your own
Like,
food.
not that big.
You wanna eat?
Yeah.
They're not that big, they're like $10 a pop.
I'm glad.
You what?
Okay, fine. I'll bring something tomorrow to share with everyone. But otherwise, if you feel compelled to bring something, bring it.
Okay.
Otherwise, bring your own food.
But
I don't know, yeah.
Bring candy if you want. We like candy.
just bring it in the air.
I know.
Bring in eggs.
We're not organized enough for this, so.
Oh, hell no. Hard time.
I'm gonna bring a bucket of hard-boiled eggs.
You're gonna stand here.